What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. We are in Marrakech and I've come back to the Menara Mall. Now, I've done a video on this a few years ago, but I thought why not do an update video to see what kind of new shops we have back at the mall. But just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. If you want to see any other videos here in Marrakech or anywhere else, let me know in the comment section below and hopefully I will make that for you. Anyways, let's see what new shops we have here at Menara Mall. I'm in the Menara Mall and one shop has caught my eye, which is definitely new. It's this one right here. Is this a fake Apple store? It's got Apple logos everywhere. Just come in the bathroom because there's a shop that I've seen which I haven't seen before and it looks like an Apple shop. Now I don't think I'll be able to take this camera because they're going to definitely find out I'm actually recording. That's where my Ray-Ban Wayfarers come in. As you can see, there's cameras on either side and I've also put a black tape around the light so when I'm actually recording it hides out the light, which is really cool. So what we're going to do is we are going to go in and see what the shop is like. They've got Apple logos outside the shop and also it looks similar inside to an Apple shop. I've looked online as well to see if there's an Apple shop here in Marrakech, but there isn't. So let's go check out what this shop is about. Okay, so here we go. First up, uno one.mf. Anyways, looks definitely like Apple shop. Set up. The layout is the same. We've got the 13s, 12s, which we have right here, that's mine. Right, keen AirPods. Oh, that one. All right. Yeah. I don't think we've got a ton. Bichal Max. Original now. Original. How much? 7,000. Nice. Shukran. Don't think it's clocked on with new cameras. Yeah. It looks so much same as the Apple shops back in the UK. Anyways, moving on. So downstairs is I don't know if it's the same, but I'm gonna have to watch the other video. Let's head on upstairs and see what we get. So we've still got the Medina side, which is a traditional. I'm pretty sure nothing's changed there. This store is new. Traditional sweets. There's still that from last time. shop is new. I'm pretty sure that's there from last time. Coming down here, there's a few shops empty, but this is where Burger King is. I'm pretty sure there was a Burger King here before, not 100%, but I'm going to have to go back to my other video. But there's a few vacant shops around here. There's only Burger King around here and a couple of other shops. Let's see what we have over here. Oh, it's just a fountain. So let's head back up and see if there's any new shops. That side's all vacant. New shop there. There are some new shops, but the one that caught my eye was definitely that fake Apple shop. Now, I don't know if you want to call it fake or just a copy, but they did have some other products there. But the layout was definitely similar to identical of an Apple shop. So yeah, there's no down here. This is the third floor. And there's nothing on the far corner. So going up to the top floor is where all the games are, which are also going back up to the top floor. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this again, because there is some new game area for kids and also some adults as well. So let's head over to the top and I'll show you. So there's a new play area. There's some games that are actually same as before. But when it comes to the kids area, if you wanted to know, you have to go to the reception bit straight in front here, pay them, collect a card, and you have to swipe the card when you want to go on a game. So it's kids do. So that's where you get the cards to play the games. This is the new area, which wasn't here before. We've got VR games here now, which I'll show you. So with these VR games, you can actually play any of them games via VR. This is what I mean, check this out. So that's the game he's playing, and he's on the VR. It's like a VR car game, which is really cool. We've got lots of games here. This is the new section as well. Motorbike games down there. They're the games you can play. Section, you've got a 7D cinema right there. I heard a 3D, not a 6D, not 7D. new section of games. You've got your basketball games down there as well. And then coming back to the main area where all the games were previously when I made a video. Right in front of you. We've got a few restaurants as well. My main feature, oh, we've got Spider-Man here. The main attraction I like of this place is the outdoor scenery, which I'm going to show you right now. This photo view. This is my favourite part of this mall. Here's the view. Look at that. That is a really nice panoramic view. Just goes all the way around. You can sit wherever you like. You can see Jim Al-Fan over there. The Piccadilly Mosque. Got a really good view in this camera. And at good weather, which I've probably shown you before, you can see the Atlas Mountain base, a bit foggy up there. But yeah, on a good day, you can actually see the Atlas Mountains right down there. I'd have shown you, obviously it's got a good view. This, what we have right here, is a new park. What they've recently built, that's the parking for it right there. But yeah, that's a new park that they built. You can actually go to the top and get a really nice view from that. The reason why it's not that big is because during the day it's really hot here. A lot of people only come out after maybe about 8:30, 9 o'clock. That's the best time and it gets really busy here as well. But yeah, that's an update of the Menara Mall. I'm going to end this video right here. I've just come to the Pole Patisserie here in Menara Mall to have a coffee. And yeah, I'm going to finish the video off right here. There's too much noise, hopefully you can actually hear me, but I was kind of shocked with the Apple store. As you saw earlier, the layout was actually similar. It did have the Apple logo outside. They have prices on, but I didn't want to actually say them out loud. The guy didn't actually realise I was recording, or he didn't even realise that my film glasses actually had cameras installed, which is a good thumbs up sign that these Ray-Bans do actually work. So if you want to see more videos of that, just that store, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video of the update of what new shops there are in Menara Mall. If you want to see any other videos here in Marrakech, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.